Hey everyone, it's Eileen from Pure Wander. Today I'm sharing an easy, family-friendly Daytona Beach, Florida lineup that works in any season. We're going to kick off with the classic Daytona International Speedway, then a quick aquarium stop where we stayed, I'll highlight, and then finish with a few fun food hangout spots. First stop, Daytona International Speedway.
Good morning here at the International Daytona 500 Speedway. Very exciting. We're on a special tour that takes you all over the stadium so you can see everything from the track to the grandstands, which we're just about to check out. I'm very excited about that as well. And I'm not even a huge race fan, but my kid's super into the Pixar movies, and it is really cool to get up so close to the action, even when there's not a race happening.
Feels iconic the second you walk in, and everything is bigger in person than you expect. If you have kids who love anything fast, loud, or larger than life, this is a guaranteed win. What I love doing about the Speedway first is that it sets the tone because it's high energy, it's uniquely Daytona, and it's an easy way to pack a big memory into a huge chunk of the day. And if you're traveling with a mix of ages, this is one of those rare attractions that works for everyone because little kids are just excited to see the track and older kids get into the history and the behind the scenes details. And I was very impressed myself. I couldn't believe the pitch of the track. It felt like I was walking up a giant hill. The tram takes you around, which is great too, so there's minimal walking and it's fairly accessible for a lot of different people. Don't miss the chance to check out the museum at the end because there's lots of cars from all different types of history. We even spotted the Hudson Hornet from Disney's Pixar Cars, and my 5-year-old was thrilled. Next up, a quick but solid family stop, the Daytona Aquarium. This is a great one to keep in your back pocket if you need an indoor break or the weather is a little rainy. It's just a great change of pace after the Speedway. They've recently added some rainforest exhibits too, so you can see a variety of animals. My condo inside of a hotel, I loved Max Beach Resort. It was comfortable, super family friendly, and it had tons of space that made everything easier. It's great home base in the middle of my Daytona plans. All right, let's get to the food and hangout spots. First, Joe's, mainly for a drink. This is a perfect quick stop when you want something fun for the grown-ups and it still works with the kids because it's casual and easy and has great views. My absolute favorite, though, was Aunt Catfish on the river. And yeah, I'm saying it, you need to come hungry and obviously never skip the cinnamon rolls. They're unlimited when you order something with the buffet. This place is the whole vibe. It's family friendly. It feels like the Daytona experience, and the sweet rolls are the kind of things your kids will talk about like it was the best part of the trip. I love that they had an outdoor little playground area too and live music. After that, we went to our deck down under. It's such an easy laid back spot to hang out. It's waterfront, it's casual, it's not fussy. It's a great choice when you want a slower pace, and they had some fantastic fried shrimp. I grabbed several coffees at Copperline Coffee and Cafe. It was my go-to for a calmer stop, especially during the day. Our last dinner was at Millie's. This is where I'd go if you want a fun final meal that feels like a treat at the end of the day, and it's a little closer to Ponce Inlet than downtown Daytona. If you want to round out your trip more, go check out the Ponce Inlet video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Subscribe to Pure Wander for all your favorite travel itineraries with family and friends.